So hey guys, this is me Krishi and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And I'm sorry for uploading one video in 1 month again. And today we're going to talk about the topic that is how to deal with overthinking and with negative people. So, do you notice that when someone suddenly just judges you, says something sarcastic, right? And suddenly your brain just start overthinking about it again and again, right? That used to be me, and sometimes it is. And for the longest time, I thought that I had to explain myself to everyone. I wanted the perfect comeback. I wanted the people to understand me. But instead of making me feel better, it just made me overthink more. So today I would like to share what things help me from not overthinking too much. First, I remind myself that not every thought is true. Our minds can be convincing. One mistake just suddenly turns into I'm a failure. One awkward moment turn everyone hates me. Now, whenever I see myself doing that, I ask myself, do I actually know that this is true or is it just my brain filling in the blanks? Most of the time, it's just my brain creating stories, imaginary stories, because of that overthinking, right? Second, I stopped trying to prove myself to everyone. So, this was the hardest lesson for me. Not everyone is going to be like you, and not everyone is going to like you. And honestly, that's okay. The more I chased people's approval, the more I felt exhausted. Third, I keep myself busy. Whenever I'm free and have nothing to do, my brain just start that overthinking machine in my head. So I give myself something better to focus on so that I can distract myself. Studying, reading, dancing, editing videos, listening to music, or just cleaning my room. You see, keeping busy doesn't erase all the problems, but it stopped me from feeding the same thought for the whole day. Fourth, I stopped letting sarcasm controlling my mood. People can be sometimes sarcastic and they can judge you, they can give you bad compliments that they will forget in just 5 minutes or something, right? But our brain keep that thing in our mind and we overthink a lot about that thing, right? One thing I realized is that I don't have to carry anyone else's negativity with myself. Their words don't decide my worth. Fifth, silence is stronger than revenge. Keep this in your mind. Silence kills people, and silence is the biggest revenge that you can ever do to someone. Silence is powerful than revenge. It's not because we're weak or anything like that. It's just that they don't deserve your precious time. You could use that precious time in something else, in something you love to do, right? You can do anything in your life that you love, right? Don't waste your time on those useless people. Fifth, music. Now, whenever you're thinking, music keeps your mind slow. It slows down the overthinking, it calms down your brain. Seventh, now I remember that those feelings, those overthinking feelings, that mood of thing is not permanent. It will go away whenever you're happy, right? No problem is permanent. Every problem has a solution and you can get over it. You can move on. But at the time when you're sad or whenever you're thinking, overthinking, you will feel like it's like something that I cannot forget, right? But in the future, you will move on, you will forget about that, right? Overthinking is not permanent, it's temporary. You will change your mood, the situation will change, the time will change, and everything will be changed, and you will be happy, right? There are so many phases in your life that is sad and that are happy, so you need to maintain that thing. Remember this, you don't own any explanation to anyone. Alright, don't waste your time, don't waste your precious time. You don't have to react to every comment and you don't have to carry any opinion that people have about you. Take care of yourself, protect your peace, and be selfish. Selfish people always wins. And put yourself first. So if this video helped you, please let me know in the comments and share it to your friends so that this video can help your friends as well. So take care, bye bye, see ya, bye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.